How to create a new Skillnado Yellow Page entry. Let's begin. Just open the menu on the upper left and click on Skill Bucket. The Skill Bucket is the place where you can find all your Skillnado entries. It's also the place where you can create a new entry. To create a new entry, click on the Add New Skill button and a new empty skill entry appears. To start working with your new skill entry, click on the Edit button. You can now see your new skill page. It's empty. First, click on the file icon to add the necessary skill or business information to this entry. You can add the title, the description, professional fee, and so on. Second step, add media stuff to the skill page, like images, videos, audios, and so. After filling up the entry with images, let's show the created page to the world out there. To do this, you have to make it visible. Click on the wrench icon or on the Change button on the upper left. Then go to Skill Status, pull down menu and choose Everyone Can See. Then save. That's all. Your skill page is now visible. Let's have a look.